Spinal instrumentation has to withstand significant stress, even in the activities of daily living. And for people who assume an active lifestyle, that spinal construct had better be strong. Some constructs are stronger than others according to biomechanical testing. We thought we'd do some real-world testing. We asked the question, can a spinal construct withstand the stress of pulling an H2 Hummer? This is a Hummer. It's going to be pulled by that pickup truck.
Neutral, pull.
The common problem with the Tulip construct, with all of the 15 different constructs that failed, they all failed the same way. Either they failed at the screw rod interface and slid along the rod, or almost universally the ball joint of the Tulip failed and splayed out. None of the Tulips were strong enough to pull a Hummer. There were 3 constructs that were, however, strong enough to pull a Hummer. These 3 were the posted constructs, the 3DX construct with the straight post screws, the 3DX construct with MPA screws with the post that pivots, and the deformity construct. So the 3 posted screws, strong enough to pull a Hummer, as we saw today. None of the Tulip constructs were strong enough to pull a Hummer.